In binomial distribution, the formula is commonly NCR, P to the power of R, Q to the power of R. This is small r. When you write the big R, the total number of frequency. The probability mass function is NCR or NCX, P to the power of X, Q to the power of X. X can take the value of 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. 6C2 means 6 into 5, 2 into 1. It works out 15 divided by 64. 256, 15 divided by 64 is 60. Hello my dear student, I am Dr. B.S. Subramanya, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. I am going to hand in this session Business Statistics 2, third semester Unit 3, Session 2 in favor of BBA. So today we are discussing under this session probability is the main heading, and that theoretical distribution. There are three theoretical distribution. One is called binomial distribution. Number 2, normal distribution. Number 3, Poisson distribution. Which are the three? One is binomial distribution. Second one, normal distribution. Number 3, Poisson distribution. We'll discuss all the three. Each one, so they will come for 10 marks. So problems and solution. 6 unbiased coins are tossed. 256 times. Calculate expected frequency, the number of heads obtained. Only number of heads obtained. Formula NCR, P to the power of R, Q to the power of N minus R. This is binomial distribution. In binomial distribution, the formula is commonly NCR, P to the power of R, Q to the power of R. This is small r. When you write the big R, the total number of frequency. We'll go to how many coins? 6 unbiased coins are tossed 256 times. Given that n is equal to 256, number of heads 6 coin, 6 into half. Only heads they have. The probability mass function is NCR or NCX, P to the power of X, Q to the power of X. X can take the value of 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. So come back. When X is equal to 0, 60 half to the power of 6 into is equal to 60 is 6, that is nothing but 1 by 64. So what's the total number of frequency? 256 into 1 by half to the power of 6 is, this is 60 is 1. 1 divided by 64, 256 is 4. 6C1 is 6. Half to the power of is 64. Total number of frequency 256. It works out 24. 6C2 means 6 into 5. 2 into 1. It works out 15 divided by 64. 256, 15 divided by 64 is 60. 6C3 means 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. It works out 20 divided by 64. 256, 20 divided by 64 is 80. 6C4, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. It works out 15 by 64. 256, 15 by 64 is 60. 6C5, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. It works out 6 by 64. So total number of frequency 256 into 6 by 54 is 24. Last one, 6 is 1. 1 divided by 2 to the power of 6 is 2 into 2 is 4. 8, 16, 32, 64. 1 by 64. 256, 1 by 64 is 4. When you add all these figures, no, it will work out 256. So how many times? 256 times. This goes in favor of binomial distribution. The weight of 1000 students are normally distributed with a mean 55 kg, standard deviation 3 kg. Find the number of students with weight less than 58 kg, between 57 and 60 kg, more than 58. So there are three types they will have. So it will come under normal distribution. represented by the word called Z. So Z is equal to x minus x mean divided by standard deviation. This is a formula. For normal distribution, formula is x minus x represented by the word called Z for normal distribution. The formula is x minus x mean divided by standard deviation. They will give the mean, they will give the standard, they will give the mean, they will give the standard. The unknowns are x. So what is the first one? Less than 58 kgs. Given that n is 1000, weights x equal to minus 55 divided by 3. The weight less than 58 kg is x minus 55 divided by less than 58 minus 55. This is 58 minus 55 is 3 divided by 1. The value of 1 as per the table is 0.1587. The entire area is equal to 1. 1 minus 0.15 is 8413. The number of student weight less than is 841. This is less than 58 kgs, less than 1. Minus figures. So here less than, when you make the graph like this, if it is less than, you have to write this is, if it is more than, you have to write less than like this. This is less than. If we write like this, it is more than. If it's a less than, you have to write on the left side. It's a more than, you have to write on the right side. Less than this side, more than that side. Move on. Between 57 kgs and 60 kgs, the regular format is 57 minus 55 divided by 3 less than x minus 55 divided by 3 less than 60 minus 55 divided by 3. This is 57, 52 divided by 0.767, Z 1.67. So the area occupies from 0.67 to 1.67. The area 0.67 is, so you have to find out the value as per the table, 0.67 and 0.164. Whichever the higher, both will come here. From the highest value, you have to find out the lowest value. So 0.2514 as per the table minus 0.0475, it works out 0.2039. The number of student weight 5760 kg, 1000 is 204 student. So one will come here, one will come, make the mark. This is the area they will going to occupy. Now, weight more than 50 kgs, x minus 55 divided by 3, 50 minus 55 is minus 5 divided by 3, minus 1.67. Area is 9525, 1000 is 953. Less than, this is 1.67 less than. I told you more than that side, less than this side. Here it occupies full, less than. It is more than 55 kgs, 1.67. So the number of students is 953. Hope you followed. Then we'll come back to Poisson distribution. Fit a Poisson distribution, they will give a, what is the first step to do is, you add the frequency. When you add the frequency, it will be equal to 200. Multiply f into x, f, 123 into 0 is 0. 59 into 1 is 59. 14 2s are 28. 3 3s are 9. 1 4s are. If you add sigma fx, then mean is equal to sigma fx over n 1000 divided by, this is 0.5. As per, they will give, what is the e to the power of, the e is called constant. E to the power of n minus m is called constant, we say. Here, e to the power of 0.5 is nothing but 0.6065. 0.6065. When t is equal to 0, n into, this is nothing but n into e to the power of minus m. N is how much? 200 into e to the power of minus m, e to the power, that is 0.5 is equal to 0.605. It was 121.3. When t is equal to 1, m divided by 1 of t of 0. What is your m? So m is 0.5. What is t of 0 is 121.3. It works out 60.65 is equal to 61. When t is equal to 2, 0, m divided by 2, 0.5 divided by 2 of T1, last one. So 0.25 of the last one is 60.5. You have to put it here. Rotation system. This sum here, this comes here. It will come 15.16, say 15. Then T3, m divided by 3 of T of 2. What is your m? 0.156, that is 1.667 into 15.16 is, this is 32. M divided by 2 is 0.167 is 2.527. T of 3 is 0.125 into 2.527. This is 5 divided by 3 of T of 2 is 5 divided by 0.5 is 0.1667 of T of 2 is 15.16 there. Then this should be substituted here. 0.5 divided by 4 into T of 3. 0.5 divided by 4 is 0.125 of this value 2.527. 0.6 is 0. So when I add all these figures, it should be equal to 200. 121 plus 61 plus 15 plus 3. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 7, 10, 3, 9, 10, 200. If we add all these things, equal to 200. This is number of frequency, n. So the problem is correct. So rotation system, what's the formula? First is, they will give the e to the power what's called mean value multiplied by n. So 0, then we'll go to 1 means m divided by 1 of T of 0. When it's also 2, m divided by 2 of T of 1. So when it's 3, m divided by 3 of T of 2. When it's 4, m divided by 4 of T of 3. So it will go on rotation system. When I add all these frequency, that should be equal to the total number of frequency. What is the total number of frequency? 200. Very good. Hope you understand. So I have solved binomial distribution. I solved normal distribution. I solved Poisson distribution. All the three types I have solved here. So definitely it will help you from the examination point of view. Hope go through. This will come for 10 marks. Hope we'll meet in the next session with decision making. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session.